welcome back. Just messing around on the pit bikes today. A few of you guys last week asked for a pit bike video, so I thought I'd do one. Haven't rode them in a while, or at least made a video. Whew. Finally getting cold out. This morning, everything was frozen. It was like at least 30 degrees. The bike's still gotta warm up. It's like delayed. Let's try and get some wheelies in. I hate that this bike, the throttle response isn't that good, but whew, there we go. There we go. Can we do a 180? I want to slide in 180. Oh, that was close. Yeah, but we had quite a bit of people in the live stream last week. It was pretty fun. Thank you guys, if you guys are in there. You guys had a lot of questions. It was really fun. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, I suck. Me and Lydia. Oh, chain fell off. Why? Why did the chain fall off? For no reason. Alright. The clutch is in. No. Why did the chain come off? I was literally doing nothing and the chain fell off. Me and Lydia. I need a new sprocket after that one. Gosh, what the heck? Let me turn this guy off. I wasn't even doing anything. You guys saw literally nothing and it just fell off. Damn Chinese. Yeah. Tell me if you guys have this problem with your guys' SSR. It's always been an issue of mine. I mean, I obviously know to slack the chain, but there it goes. I obviously know slack the chain. I mean, yeah, now it's loose, but I don't know if the back tire moved or something. It was fine before. I guess I gotta tighten that. Hopefully it didn't mess with the engine. It didn't sound too good when it fell off, but let's see. No? Guess we're fine. I guess I'm gonna have to throw this thing in the garage. Oh man. Should I mess around on the quad? I could do that. Quads are better anyways. Not gonna jump or anything, but let's cruise around a little bit. Can we make it on two wheels all the way around the barn? Here we go. Oh gosh. Oh, here we go. How many times around can we go? Oh no! Can we go one more? Oh, my arms are getting tired. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no, we gotta get there! Oh my god. My arms are getting tired. Oh my gosh. Good times. Good times. Yeah, but if you're new to my videos, my name is Jake. I do a lot of moto vlogging videos on my channel. Once this winter hits, which should be in a few weeks or so, I snowboard as well. So if you guys snowboard or ski, well, I mean, all that fun stuff. Oh yeah. Oh nope. It died and turned back on. But leave a question in today's video, and I will use them in a future Q&A. So leave a question. It doesn't have to be about motocross, but it can be. But basically, ask me anything you want, and I will try and get a lot of good ones and answer them. But alright guys, I think I'm going to be out of here. Thanks for hanging out. I know today wasn't the most exciting moto vlog, but I can't... Some weeks are more exciting than others, just like your life. Thanks for watching, as always. By the time this video is up, I probably hit 20k, so thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm trying to live stream at least every Wednesday or every other Wednesday. I do believe I'm going to have another one this Wednesday, so make sure you check in and get to talk to me if you guys want to hang out. If you got a lazy afternoon on Wednesday. So thank you. You're a bitch. Chain always comes off. You're not a bitch, though. You're a woman. Oh, I'm so crazy. Okay.